Hey, what's good, family? So I have another exciting project for the RSX. This one is a smaller one. Most of the improvements that can be made are pretty cheap and inexpensive, and for driving purposes, they can give you an enhanced feel to the road, especially what I'll be planning to do with this car, which is taking it to the track and doing some track cross, and eventually hoping to kind of do some laps that aren't like time trial type laps and just race with other people. That is where the progression, where I want to see the progression go. But I'm super excited about this little mod, and I'm going to show you how to do it at this point. So here it is. It is a shift knob. I haven't unpackaged it yet. I'm going to do that with you guys. But first, I'm going to show you how to remove the shift knob on a Acura RSX Type S. I think this is any years, but I just have the Type S. Show you how to do it on that. So this is the original Type S shift knob, RSX Type S. You can see it has it labeled on there, 1 through 6, and then R. But I'm going to keep this guy. I'm not going to get rid of it because the previous owner told me that it was pretty hard for him to track one down. So I want to keep it. Plus, it's cool. It's the original shift knob. So first thing you want to do is, if your boot is still up here, you just twist that, okay? And then it just comes down. And what holds that up is these two little tabs right here on the shift knob. Since I've already loosened mine, basically what you're going to do is you want to grab the shift stick right here and then just twist the knob off. So this is already loose because I already started it, and then you just remove it. Just keep twisting it, and it comes off, and you can see that it's threaded in there so that it stays on, which is really cool. The one that I've ordered is the let me take it out of the packaging. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Here we go. Let's rip this guy apart. This is how I open all of my packages. So this is the one I went with. Get out of there. This is the one I went with. This is RSX Shift Knob. It's Durlin. It also has the threaded stainless steel insert in there. They didn't used to come like that. It used to just be like the white Durlin with no threads inside. They had it tapped to fit your specific applications, but now they of course put the threading inside the stainless steel thread, which is cool, and it gives it just like a longevity thing and an enhanced feel to it. It also, it feels really good in my hand. Like, it feels amazing. The reason why I ordered this one is because it doesn't get hot, guys. Like, it stays cool no matter what. If it's cold or if it's hot, it still stays cool. And also, it feels really good. It's not super heavy like most of your shift knobs. It's pretty lightweight, but it just feels good in your hand. So let's put this guy on. Just screws right down. Okay, it's also a little taller than the old Acura RSX base mod, or shift knob, and I'm gonna tighten that up. See, this guy's not gonna be able to stay up there now, so I got to figure out a way to keep it up there somehow. But I mean, that was it. You just screw it on, tighten it down. It's a pretty basic setup. And again, it's a pretty inexpensive mod to do on your own one day. You can just order it, slap it on real quick, and then you'll be good to go. I'm really excited about that though, because I had one before that a buddy of mine let me use, and I ended up selling it with my car, with the Civic Hatch, which was a huge mistake because I didn't realize like how good that shift knob was until I went back to the stock shift knob and noticed there was a huge difference right away, just in the feel of it and the lightness of it. But I'm really excited about this one. Another step or progression in the RSX track project car, and one more thing that I can mark off the list. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.